Hello, hello. Let's get the stream started. Let's see what we can do. Let's make something related to, like, I don't know, probably an edge work, right? I'm trying to think of what I could do. Let's see. Counter-Strike is not that engaging. It is. It absolutely is. Let me change the music. What do I want to play? Let's just go some baby metal. Let's see. Or do I want to start fixing bugs now? Because I know we have that needy issue. Let's do that, actually. Let's do a bit of bug fixing. Let's see what the issue is. I do need to turn this down a little bit. Come on. Alright. What's the frequency thing in the edge work? I don't understand what it does. So basically there's 4 frequencies that I can have, from 1 hertz to 5 hertz, which is about the rate it flashes per second. And that'll be used for something eventually. We don't have anything like fully planned out, but let me look at the code regarding high-low, maybe. I might be a little dumb. I might just be a little silly. Oh, I am not looking at the right place, that's why. High-low. That's correct. Let's take a look at needy handler. Or actually it would be in module handler to start. So let's see here. If error needy remove. So we need to go to module handler, needy remove. Let me go to test, actually. Let me go ahead and... let's just have this be like 1 and like 10. Alright. My cat's on my desk right now. I'm gonna be quiet with the music, actually, so I can hear myself speak. I'm just gonna let this strike. So now it strikes, and we need to make sure it gets the knee clock again. So it does add a strike. Does it ever come back though? Doesn't seem like it. How long has this been in the game? This would have had to be almost launch. Has Needy's just been broken that much? Well, let's take a look at module handler. I think I know why. So we have needy remove here, and that's what gets called after the needy clock is finished. So let's see, start needy clock. Yeah, so this is what happens. What calls start needy clock? Coroutine. Okay. So start needy calls that. And then what we could do is just start needy again, maybe? Or, no, not start needy. We need to go back to module needy handler, right? I need to call the... So what if we call in here, what if we go to module handler, and then after it adds bomb, or this adds the strike, right? But we're only concerned about this. So, needy handler. I don't actually have needy handler recorded. Hold on. It's gonna yell at me, but it doesn't actually make a difference. Needy handler. Should be fine, right? module is required recursively. It does cause an issue, okay. What if we return something so that if we go to the needy handler and then needy handler. Something like that, maybe? Has the game reached? No, it did not. It got close yesterday. It was at 890. I think the closest we got so far within the year is 950. And that was because, or I think it was 950, because that was a YouTuber and played the game on live stream. Cat, this is not for you. This is for me. That should be good, though. I'm just only worried about a memory leak, but... Alright, it never triggers. That's why it doesn't return anything. It's a co-retune. Let's do a bindable event. Cat, I'm trying to move my mouse. You don't need to keep moving it. My cat is in my mouse pad. Oh, like on my mouse pad. Thank you, bro. Let's see here. Module handler. Let's see. Script dot restart needy clock. So now what we can do is we can go back to needy handler and then we can do it should be able to work. Model exists, so it is seeing it now. Nice! Bug fixed, okay. Let's see if it strikes again. Oh, I didn't take that into the audio. It does, okay. Now, I do know that there's a couple bugs I need to still fix. Yeah, that's right. But who the fuck is pinging me in this server? Oh, I need to talk to my father. That's right, it's Father's Day. Everyone say Happy Father's Day to your father and spend time with him. I do know that some people don't understand the full concept of needies whenever they see it. I wonder if I want to make it so that if you die to a certain module, it tells you what you should be doing. Cat. This goober. You wanna say something in the mic? Are you vocal? You were very vocal when I came in the room. You want to speak? He doesn't want to speak. He's shy right now. God, that song is so good. Now, the one thing I do want to test is, does it try to fuck with the, one thing I want to do is make sure it doesn't yell at me for, after the bomb explodes, so, let me just, like, create an error. Oh, that was right. That was also right, bro. I can't be solving 2 modules on accident, bro. Alright. Alright. So, it does say high-low, or this should exist, which does mean that it's trying to do something with it. But I don't hear any other sounds, so that's a good sign. Something tells me it's finally canceling. So now what if I revive, let's say that? Does it immediately error? It does, but that bug can wait. Alright. I'm even happy if I can push that update out, like, immediately, but oh, I do want to get some content in here. Another thing I want to make sure is, let's say for fucking, we do have the interview, or the thing happening. Let's take a look at the interview. Let's see here. I want to make sure that this is properly printing out 177 on that day, because now that we're closer to the day, I can actually think about it. Because I don't, I feel like I'm a little concerned that it counts sleep days, so we're going to do OS date J. I'm going to print OS, alright, print day. This should print 172, I think. It does, okay. So that will work. Is there any bugs I could still be knocking out? Because I get it, the bugs aren't the fun thing to watch, but this game is buggy. It is buggy. Can you test this here? Yeah, sure. Let's see here. I need to fix that. Hold on. Let's see here, output. Not output, what am I doing? Window. Debug. No, we want test player emulator. Not player emulator. Don't play, I can't. Let me go to server. I do want to go to the main server scripts because I also know that for some reason it really hates when I join the game. Oh, that's an old piece of script that was in the game. So it doesn't like one. We had to fix the bug of the friends thing not working. Two, I want to fix a bug relating to just not affecting any other player but the developers. Sometimes it doesn't actually give us a developer, like the test button, so it doesn't mark us as the developer in the actual game logic when we join the game. So I want to make sure. And like players added, yeah. Check if developer, player's developer. Player. Let's go to declaration. I wonder if it's just not the correct output. 253, that's correct. What is the developer rank set to on the script on here? So developer handler. Developer rank. Root config, data, go to declaration, 252. Okay, it's just giving me true, so yeah, it's fine. Whatever. We'll just not worry about it. Let's look at the reason why the friends badge isn't good. Really quick. Well, how the fuck is that even awarding? One yesterday, 0, that's why. Because it just stopped awarding. Let's do it in start game, fuck it. Yeah, that's too many API calls. Let's just do it in server. Alright. There we go. There will be bloodshed. Man, the mirror wants his head. Look at that. Hell yeah. Chat, I'm gonna have to show you a picture I just took of my cat this instant. Hold on. Bang. Yes, my desk is dirty because cats sit on it, but look at that. Look at him. Look at this cat. I want to figure out why the Caesar is bugging. Like, can I just get like some Caesar going? Because Caesar bugs is like actually pretty common. And I have no fucking idea why. So let's go to test. Yeah, we got the car in here. Let's see if I can get to the VC. Alright, hey. Hello, I'm doing bug fixing. I might be a little loud because I have my mic up, but my cat is currently fixed. Oh, you fixed Caesar? Yeah. What was it wrong with it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fuck, that's the strangest goddamn bug ever. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to... I might have to, like, fucking quake this goddamn mouse because my cat is in my way. I have load... how do you... Wait, where's the maximize button? Oh, like in actual Windows, okay. Yeah, is there any... I think if we were going to use frequency, I think I want to do like advanced Morse for like frequency or something like that. Because it's kind of like Morse-y. But like, how can we like change up Morse to... Maybe like, I don't know. I wouldn't mind putting in dots and dashes like as an audio for the thing. Now it's like you press a button, but yeah, I get it. But honestly, I think it's not a bad idea. I mean, it's worth it to try to see how it sounds in the game. Yeah, so I think I might just pull up FL Studio and make some dots and dashes. see here. Give me this. I want to get something that's like. Yeah, let's go on sample. Let me find like a instruments, keyboard. Let's go to our, let's see here, so, let's try to give it like a little bit more, alright, let's reduce the reverb. This is honestly the instrument I want to use. It's a little too sharp. Maybe if I want to find like well, I guess I could like reduce the sharpness on it by hitting it with a billion effects. That's okay. Yeah. There you go. And how much is okay. Our units are set in the thing. How much? I think a dash is 3, right? 3 units. All right. Let's see if we can make it sharper. Or not sharper, but a little less. I can never remember how to use FL Studio. That's not connected to anything. I need to connect it to a... get for not knowing how to actually use the software I pay for. It's a hard-ass software to figure out how to get by. How do I attach it to an instrument? Huh? Oh yeah. Type shit. DJ Toenail has nothing on me. The decomposer. Alright, so let's see. So it's something I have to do with here. So let's go ahead and put in our wants a probably some kind of like let's see here. Just give me like controls, like maybe that's what I want. No. That is a fucking template for it. I am not doing anything with a template. Let's see. Probably like a limiter. Probably not a limiter. Oh, no, that's because this guy. There you go. This is for Morse code. We're giving it audio as well. Or we're gonna see how it sounds like. That is absolutely not the fucking plugin I want. I'll figure out eventually how to use FL Studio. It's just I'm not a composer. I'm a LARPer. Let's see. Why the fuck is Razor Chroma on here? I'm not doing keyboard controls in my goddamn music software. Let's see. It's probably definitely dynamics. It probably won't. I just don't know. Transient processor, maybe? Making me a square wave. That's good. Now if we can get something that's... Alright. Probably something like that. Yeah. That sounds good. I like that. Let me see how the dash works. It does. Oh, let me turn up. There we go. Now you're audible.
I think it should be a bit more like piercing. Like it should sound more annoying, I think.
Okay.
Or maybe higher? Can you make it like a bit higher?
Yeah.
I think it sounds a bit like too much like the timer right now.
that's what I'm thinking. The pitch might be a little too weird. Let me put a pitch filter on that.
You can just move it in the roll, like.
Yeah.
So make it higher.
I could, but I
flat.
E flat. Alright.
Just maybe like some crypto sound.
C sharp, D sharp, E. This is probably
D sharp is E flat.
Yeah. Maybe a little lower? No. Maybe higher. No. Yeah. But now it sounds a little too...
Sounds like a piano now.
Yeah.
Yeah, xylophone.
Let's see what candy on this.
It's so funny, just doing random shit and just seeing what works.
Yeah, that's basically how it works, I guess. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
It works, it works.
It works, it works. This might be visual. This might just be purely visual.
Yeah. Bro is just typing shit.
I'm just typing shit, pretending it works. Let's see here. Probably just... Don't want...
What diffuses flavor text is too funny, bro. But actually just put his whole life story.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. Which one was that again?
Infuses.
Oh yeah. that one's not funny. That one's not funny.
Not funny. True. No, I think it's funny. It's just like it's so cryptic. I'm just fixing all the capitalizations. Uses resistance with the interview.
I could make it longer, to be honest.
No. At some point, at a certain point, it becomes unreadable on small screens because the text becomes too small.
Yeah.
And I don't want to make it big enough to where people like become confused.
Or I just increase the scale of it, so it's.
Yeah, like
maybe at the bottom, like at the bottom, like past the fucking like credit, I just even make it even longer.
Oh my days.
It's just a massive ass rant. Probably a limiter. Maybe I should actually like think, oh yeah, I could use a fucking limiter here. Still sounds like a piano. What if I get like like some kind of like vocoder? Sure, we'll try a vocoder. Ooh.
distorted. Yeah, that's better, that's better. You kind of need to get rid of that like hit of the hammer on the piano string.
Yeah, it's an electric keyboard, but it still has that like.
Yeah. I mean, it still like mimics that though.
Maybe I'll get like a.
It needs to just be like a static tone. Is that possible to just make an Audacity?
Probably. Like cut off the sustain basically or something. Or not the sustain, but like maybe like a. The issue is I want to make a noise gate, but it's kind of hard to make a noise gate that's going to cover only that sound.
Oh my god, you can just spawn tones in Audacity. But...
yeah, that's true.
Sun.
Sun,
Bro's doing all that.
let me not save that changes. Let's just go to Audacity. I actually know how to use Audacity.
Yeah. Click the generate menu at the top and select tone. Yeah, okay. And you can just add the hertz pitch. Yeah, and you can just you can choose like the waveform and shit. Yeah, you can like, make it exactly 0.1 seconds.
Yeah. 150 BPM. 16th.
Oh, you can literally just select the duration, son. Oh my days.
I'm sorry. I do need a score. Okay, it is 100 milliseconds.
Bro is doing all that.
I use this for Voltex charting, not fucking actual producing.
Yeah.
Frequency to E sharp, 7th octave.
Like a bit distinctive, that's pretty much it. Oh, that's so good, that's so good.
Let's try maybe a sine wave. Oh fuck. If I can actually like press a button.
It's like Loki, that's Loki what we need, like this is just what we need.
Generate. I like that, but I think it sounds too much like a alarm clock kind of pitch. Maybe
yeah.
Let's see.
Did we have it before? Like a square? It was a square.
Let me see the Morse code standard hertz.
Oh yeah.
600 to 800. Let's do 800.
600. Yeah.
We need to actually delete this track first.
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like a static tone. Like, might be like a square tone.
Yeah.
Wait, I mean, sine was good. Sine is good as well. Yeah, I just heard it because your stream is a bit delayed. That sounds good.
Sine waves are possible. Usually what they use. But I do want to sound. Let's see what a square always sounds like. That's not even one. Oh god. What about triangle wave?
I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know.
It's a little bit more aggressive than the peaks. I think I like the... Well, I haven't tried the sausage yet. No. It's unwavetus.
They're a bit too... Yeah, they're a bit too, like, harsh.
Yeah. But I do want to see...
That might be good for, like, needies, actually. Like, someone talked about, like, when needies are low on time, you could have that.
Yeah.
You could have, like, a different beep, but I mean, we already have, like, so many different beeps, like, oh my god, please.
Actually, what's our unit length?
0.1.
0.1, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking like maybe like 900 or maybe 600 to be honest. Let's try 600 because it just seems like people use that more. And also, I think that'll probably be better to not kill someone's ears, maybe. Yeah, let's just say 800. Or not, let me try 900.
Let's do 700, let's do 800, let's do 500, let's do 700.
Okay, 900 sounds good. Export audio. Export to computer.
You just need to make one that's 0.1 and one that's 0.3.
Yeah, I want my GP.
I'm in 1.3.
I have no idea where that's saved to.
KSM charts bubbling, it said.
Oh, it went to my Voltex charting folder. Fuck no. Yeah.
Shit. Save the cloud. The fuck is audio.com? I am not going on. What is that? Audio.com is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how they got that URL.
That is insane domain name.
I kind of want to make it so that the diffuser can only hear it, because I know we were just like kind of sending it to all clients. Maybe if I want to like send a diffuser as well, like just grab it from like start game.
Or you can just put the diffuser as like an attribute or something. On your bomb. Yeah, that's fine.
So now we go to fucking.
That's good. That's probably going to reduce overhead as well.
Yeah.
So it's not like running in the background for players that aren't even seeing the bomb.
I don't see the flash function.
The script, I think. The modules. It's
Maybe.
the module itself.
I thought it would be in here.
Because you need to activate it with the button now.
That's right, yeah. Alright, me, Actually, I could just like send it to the player, right?
Yeah, just send it to the just send it to the player.
Don't do that to the client. How's he gonna do a job now?
Okay. Took me like 10 seconds to get on.
There's so many fucking things in here that it's so hard to find what we're going to.
Yeah.
Where is my... Oh, it's sound, not audio. Oh, I actually need to make a sound on the site.
You should put in the base probably. No, unless it actually it might work because I think it takes the primary part.
Let me just put it in the base though. We are at 743 CCU. Okay. I applied to like some kind of thing on Roblox that's like you give feedback for like the engine. Maybe if I get in that, that'll be cool. So they'll start sending you like cool shit as well, like Roblox branded merch that doesn't exist anywhere else.
Cool.
Aw, it was stretching on my arm. This cat's still on my desk. I cannot use my mouse right.
Whether so I have the design of the modularity, but I just don't know what to do with it.
I think I might have to get the development items in my arm. So actually I put something. No, I fucking upload this. I can never remember how to upload anything anymore. There it is. Audio. Let's do dot Morse code dot. KSM charts. Oh yeah, that's the that's not the dot. That's the dot, and then we upload the dash. Dash. There we go. That should work now. That should work now. Practice. We're gonna do Morse code, and then it should make some sounds. Oh, I think we got an error. Attempt that next and then we'll play. I have not checked the chat at all today. I'm sorry. God, that sounds terrible.
Does it sound bad?
Yeah, it sounds really bad. I don't even know if I want to continue it. Maybe later. Because it's like... not an enjoyable sound.
Yeah. I had a feeling it was going to be bad. Because there's already, as I said, there's already a bunch of sounds.
Well, the issue is it's just so sharp that it's just like kind of painful to hear. It's not like a noise pollution kind of thing.
We just make it like quieter.
It still sounds terrible. I might get like a sample of a bunch of Morse code sounds from like other devices.
Well, let me see something. Doesn't cook for me.
Might hop on Counter-Strike now that I fix this bug, but I need to, yeah. Is there any other bug I should fix before I hop on Counter-Strike? I have no idea how far my friends are getting into a match. They are not even, or they are in a match halfway through.
I think I sent you something and I forgot it already.
Let's see. Discussion. Bug report.
into that.
Timing bug. Green completed indicator becomes black when solved
yeah,
during the red strike indicator.
Oh, yeah, if you
That's
if
just
basically-
anything.
yeah, that's anything. If you click, yeah, it's kind of niche, but like it is a thing, I guess. Yeah, it's just if you complete it after like during the animation, it just like turns it black anyway. Yeah, that's really easy to fix, but it's also kind of awkward because like the way you do it is like it's tied into every flash, right? So
Yeah.
like it would have to, yeah, it would have to like kind of you'd have to make
I
it
could store
distinct
the
what-
thread of the coroutine that it comes off of, and if the success one does happen, just flat it, like cancel the coroutine entirely and then change the thing. But that would require me to store the coroutines.
No, I was thinking maybe you could add another parameter if it's like a permanent parameter or something. But I think that like the problem with that would be that you'd have to go in and change all the occurrences of it. How many occurrences are there though? Are there a lot, or is it just only in the module handler?
Yeah, it's in color. That's a color thing. Color handler.
Does it happen
but-
like a lot? Change color?
Well, that's just like.
I think you could just make a. Yeah, I think you could just add a parameter, right? Like permanent or something.
I mean, yeah, I guess it could go like off of like solved or something.
Change
But-
color. But that doesn't flash, right? Wait, hold on.
The
Oh,
Well,
you
no,
use
no,
change-
I
you
you-
use change color and then you change it back.
yeah.
Oh. That's in color handler though.
Let me do this. In color handler, I'm just gonna go ahead and if module if module dot get
Oh my god.
get attribute solved, then there.
Cool.
And then all we can do is go to needy handler, or no, module handler, oh yeah. Start needy, and we're just going to take the needy mod, and we're just doing color handler. I don't have color handler, and then record, hold on. Color handler. Change color. Needy mod. Color 3 dot, or needy mod, color handler. Dot default color.
I guess that's what fixes it. Bit of a band-aid, but I mean it works.
Yeah, it should fix it. Let me actually like solve this. So that's a shift of 18. So I'm just going to open up a Caesar cipher decoder.
I'm not even gonna lie, whenever the shift is like greater than like 12, I just like restart the bomb. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I want to maybe
Actually, it's kind of
consider.
annoying.
Maybe I might consider making it so that
It's like capped.
it's capped. But then we have to figure out what we're doing with. We might be able to make it like a modulo operation, and then make it so the Caesar different cipher is still like possible.
Like, you could just get a 0, no?
Yeah. Or like
Just
we use
way
edge
rarer.
work maybe. We could also use that work.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah, probably. But like, just the fact that a 25 cipher is possible is just diabolical. I mean, actually, 25 isn't even that bad because it's like you can just like do it the other way. But like, if it's like 18 or some shit, it's like 14. Like that's like the worst thing ever.
That's 11. I just want to make sure once I solve this needy, it's not going to be dumb and reset it weird.
No, it just doesn't even make a sound. Like,
What are you talking about?
Morse.
Oh yeah,
I
commented the code.
Okay.
So it's still functional if you just like decide to add something, but
Alright.
I'm sorry, someone ported Redstone to Roblox, like the exact Java Redstone. Hold on, let me send you this fucking video. Let me do this first so I can confirm this is working. 50. 25. 12. 16. 19. 20. Fuck. 24. 22. 21. That's working. Whatever. Yeah. God, maybe I want to do that. Like porting to just a redstone, like just like doing with that as like a little bit of a challenge, but that is honestly sick. Bro made a working piston door.
Yo. Oh, like you did the whole like movement as well.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah, that's actually weird. Oh my god. I'm so eepy.
Oh shit.
Bro, my brain has not been able to like function. I've been out and about so much lately, like it's like school ended and I thought I was gonna have more time, but I've like now like all the time that I had for school, now I'm just being forced to funnel it into other shit.
Yeah.
It's just like I just ended up with the same amount of time I had before I stopped school, or I finished for summer.
Alright, so that's a bug that I should have resolved. I'm not gonna bother fucking. I did check it a little bit, but I'm not gonna like fully care enough for it.
If there's a bug or whatever or something that is like finished, just close it because I was closing some stuff because we're like the log starts backing up a lot.
So I don't actually have the permissions to do that.
Manage posts. Should be able to now.
Alright. You're... Did you fix the soft lock bug? Okay, I'll close that. Oh, you already closed it.
Yeah, we weren't even. That was so funny. We weren't even handling like one players. Like
Strike bug. Every time I played
yeah.
this game this week, the buzzer would randomly.
That was funny. That was actually funny. That was funny. But honestly, like it kind of makes me realize, like needies aren't really introduced in the game like at all. It's kind of
What
just
we need to
assumed
do-
that you figure it out.
What we need to do is have it so when, like, maybe like in a future update, when players die to a module, tell them
Yeah,
what they
it
died
tells them
to,
what happened. Yeah.
and tell them, like, if it's like specifically like a needy, tell them, hey, this is a needy module. It activates every so often, and you have to solve it in the time.
Yeah, I'm in my head. I'm envisioning like, okay, like in my head, I'm really envisioning that like the normal game, instead of it being like with the difficulties, it's like level based, and like it slowly introduces you to the game. Like, I think that would probably be like a more lucrative way of like having like a final like polished version of the game. You know,
Yeah.
that's probably, is that even like, would that even be hard to make? Like, could you make them just like difficulties on their own? I think that could work, right? Just make each level a difficulty. I think it would more be like a UI thing than a like a game thing, like a backend thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can hop off for now, and I'm just gonna like maybe I try to figure out what I'm gonna do with fucking advanced button,
Yeah.
so I can work on other shit. I only want to get like 2 or 3 modules. I don't want to do more because I just want to get the update out. Because there's a lot of like important fixes that need to be out like ASAP in this update.
I'm going to also head out because I want to play some Counter-Strike. Who doesn't like to play Counter-Strike? So, have a good one, everyone. Bye.
See you.